Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell a product on Facebook Marketplace. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Facebook, and then at the bottom of the page you will click on menu, and then you choose Marketplace. And then at the top of the page you will click on sell, and then you click on create listening. Now you have to choose the product you want to sell, and in this section you can add a photo. As you can see, you can write a title, the price, you can choose a category, you can say something about your product, and you can choose the location. And after you are done, you can click on publish and your product will be published. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!